Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn parameter functions in Python. So here is a function we can created in the last tutorial. Now I got a question for you guys. What is the difference between calling this function and print function? So anybody knows? Okay, no problem. The difference is that the print functions will going to take some information. In this case, the message that we can want to print. But our greeting message doesn't take any information. And couldn't it be a nicer if could pass a name of the user here and then instead of saying I care pete, uh, I Harpete, could you print the name of the user? So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to pass information to your function, and that's pretty easy guys. Now just go back to our great definition here. So inside this parenthesis, we can add the parameter. See, these parameters are the placeholders for receiving the information. For example, you can add the name of the parameter and we can pass the name of the user. Okay, just I will add the name here. And so when we can calling this function here, when we can calling this function inside here, we can add the double quotation. Add Sudhakar has a value. Okay, so when we can calling this function, we can pass this value. Okay, we can add this value. So this name parameter will be there now. This name parameter will be set to the Sudhakar. So it will act as a local variable that we can define inside this function. Just you can imagine guys, we don't have this parameter and instead we can add a variable like name. I will show you guys. That's also suppose name is equal to Sudhakar. So this is the manual way. So just we no need to make use of local variables here when we can use the functions. Okay. So just I will erase it because we don't really need it now. And we can use the formatted string here. Just formatted string here. After that, you can using formatted string here. We must and should be use the curly braces. Inside the curly braces, we can add the name here. See, we have the parameters exactly that same thing. So with this parameter we can receive the information in our function. So now let's go ahead and run this program. Just right click and run python file in terminal. Okay, we will got start and hi Sudhakar, welcome to Karnataka, and finish the program. You can see here the program start from here. After that, calling this function. Inside this function we will have the parameter functions. We can have the value Sudhakar. So it will going to print on the terminal here. I think you will got how you can pass information through functions guys. Okay, so now we can take this to the next level. Now we can call this function one more time here. Just I will copy this function and just I hit the enter and paste it here. Okay, and this time we can supply a different names. Let's say Pratap. Okay, so we can reuse our greet functions and passing it a different value. Just you can imagine guys, if you didn't have this function, you could have to repeat this function twice, right? This code can twice, once for I Sudhakar and another for I Pratap, right? So this is the benefit of defining the functions. We can take few lines of code that we can specific purpose and put them inside our function. So now let's run our program one more time. Just right click, scroll down and just hit the enter. Okay, you can see start. Hi Sudhakar, welcome to Karnataka. And you can see hi Pratap, welcome to Karnataka, and finish the program. You can see the output. I just select here. You can getting how we can you make use of multiple times once you can define a function, right? And one more thing, or just note that guys, when a function as a parameter, we are obligated to pass a value for that parameter. So if I remove this Sudhakar here, just I will remove here. So just I will remove from the value here. Okay, we can get an value error, sorry, not value error, here we can get the type error. Now I can run this program, you can see we will get an error. Let me show you how the error will going to face. Okay, you can see here type error, greet user missing one required positional argument. Positional argument, see, argument means argument is a programming, it is a value that we can supply to the function. So just we can go back this example. So Pratap is a Pratap, in this case the argument that we can pass to the name of the parameter, right? And lot of programmers will don't know that is the difference between parameter and argument. So those people are going to think parameter and arguments are the same. Those are not same guys. The parameters are the goals. Okay, the parameters are the goals or placeholders that we can define in our function for receiving the information, whereas arguments are the actually piece of information that we can supply to these functions. Okay, are you getting what is the difference between parameter and argument parameter? Okay, so bring back let's bring back. Okay, just I will bring back and run our program, whether it is running or not running. Just I will check once again, one more time. Okay, we will see here the output will going to print on the terminal. Okay, and one more thing guys, we can also define a multiple parameters. For example, just I will scroll down here, just I scroll down this one and see, we can also define a multiple parameter. For example, just I will rename it, just right click, where it is refactor. Oh, no refactor is available. Okay, we can, no problem, we will rename it by manually. Okay, now we can add the first name, first first underscore name name and comma last last underscore name name. So here is first name and second name. Now here also we can modify it, right? first first underscore name name comma last last underscore name name. Okay, now it's okay, right? And also we can need to modify here only, here also we can modify it. Okay, Sudhakar Reddy will be there now, just comma reddy Reddy, and here also we need to modify just comma reddy Reddy. Okay, see, when we can add multiple uh, parameters, we should change here also. Okay, the first name is Sudhakar Reddy and second name is Pratap Reddy. Okay, just run our program and see what happened. Just right click, scroll down. Okay, oh, something will going to get error here. Let me check what happened. Type error, greet function missing one required positional argument, last name. Okay, last name that have, okay, I will getting see, last name means we should add the quotations we just forget, so that's the reason it will going to show the error. So it will consider all this value is considered as a first name, so that's the reason it will show the errors. What we can do here, just add the quotation, and here we needed to add the quotation here. Now it's okay. Again we needed to add quotation here, and here also we needed to add the quotation here. Now we can run our program and it definitely run, I am sure. Okay, see here. Oh, we are get first name and second name. Hi, Sudhakar Reddy, and welcome to Karnataka. Hi, Pratap Reddy, welcome to Karnataka. The last message is finish the program. You can see here how we can add multiple parameters in functions. So this is how we can make use, how you can reuse functions in our program. So this is the benefit of defining a programs in Python, guys. Okay, and I hope this video is helpful for your preparation, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, see you in the next video, take care.